My people, Grok AI has limited their image and video generation to paid users only, and this got people talking.
Why did Grok AI do this to us? How can we afford this price?
Why did Grok AI do this to us? How can we afford this price?
Why did Grok AI do this to us?
Why did Grok AI do this to us? How can we afford this price?
Today, I will show you a method that will help you get Grok subscription for as low as $2.50 or 3,800 Naira only instead of $30. You know, Grok AI is best in AI video generations. Plus, their image characters lip sync is top notch compared to other AI apps. So, if you want to know my trick, watch till the end.
Wow. Please show us.
Yes, the method we are going to use is that we are going to use S account to subscribe to Grok AI, meaning that you will have to register on S, get an S account, or if you already have S account, just as I have already here, you can see my S account already, but I have not subscribed before on this X. So that's what we are going to do. Now, over here, when you have gotten your account on S, you have to click on these three buttons here, this particular one here, if you are on the desktop, because I'm using desktop for this. So you click on this, you come over to display the right premium. So you go to the premium version now, and you can see the charge on premium. Look at the charge they give us. They say this 50% discount on premium. So you can see the normal basic, you can see the price, 3,800 Naira. And look at it, you have enhanced Grok access. Isn't that lovely? We are going to get this Grok access with as low as 3,800 Naira, and this is because they are giving you a 50% discount for the first 2 months that you are going to subscribe this, meaning after 2 months the price will be 7,600 Naira monthly, which is far better compared to 48,500. Can you imagine? So what are the things you are going to benefit by subscribing Grok AI using S? The good thing is that when you have used S to subscribe on Grok, you automatically going to have this verified check mark on your S account. It's just like using a stone to kill two birds. Yes, you are use one stone to kill two birds, having your S account verified and also having an Grok access into your account. Okay, and that is not only all, you will as well get paid on your post if you start using your S account to post. Maybe you are somebody that used to use X, but I believe from now, after hearing this, definitely you are going to start using your S, because they will start paying you for posting on S as well. This is so lovely. So if you are ready for this, you can see it is very bold there. This is the amount they give to me because my location is Nigeria. Okay, that's why you are seeing this amount here. So if you're in outside country, your own price, they will give it to you, and it's going to be very, very low compared to $30. So let's look at the premium plus. Premium plus is where you are going to receive super Grok, which is the 30,000, which is the $30 and 48,500. So if you cannot afford this particular super Grok, please go ahead and use the enhanced Grok, which is the same thing as the free Grok AI that we will be using, that give us access to 50 generations every day. Is the same thing. All right. So what we are going to do here now is that we are going to subscribe it. So let me hit subscribe. Before that, let me go to our Grok first. This is my Grok account. Okay, so let me show you proof that this is going to work. So over here now in my Grok, you can see they are saying me to sign in. And
Wait, I know you're enjoying this tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button, like, ask your questions in comment section, and please don't forget to share it.
hit on sign in first. Now you can sign in either using your Grok, you can either using your Gmail account or log in using this. But first, let's use our normal Gmail account, as we all know initially, okay, and test our Grok. So I log in with my normal account here. Now you can see I have signed in. You can see my image reference is here already. Okay, so let's try and generate something. Now I'm trying to show you this before we subscribe, so that you will not say that I've already subscribed something else before I bring this to you. Okay, let's just try to create a simple image. Let's just say a dog. Okay, let's just send it. Do you see what happened? They say subscribe to Grok Super Grok. We can see that it is not working. That's because we have not subscribed. So now that I've shown you proof of what we are going to do, let me sign out of this particular Grok account. Let me sign it out so that we'll do this from beginning to the end. All right. You can see now I have signed my account out of Grok. The Grok is back to normal now. So let's go back to X and now subscribe to the premium access using 3,800 naira only. So I hit on subscribe. Now you can see over here in your subscribe, look at the where you can now start your subscription from. Okay, now inside here you can use either email to subscribe. You can must put your email address for the contact purpose. Then here you put in your card details, either Visa card, MasterCard, or any of the card that works in your place. So for me, I have a MasterCard, so I'm going to use my MasterCard now to subscribe this. So we'll do it together to the end. So now right here, you can see I have put in my details of my account exactly as it is on my MasterCard together with my full name and my country. They automatically select my country. So the next thing we'll do is to go ahead to subscribe. If you check, do not check I'm purchasing as a business. If you click purchasing as a business, the price will change. So don't check this and don't save your information unless you wish to save your information. So the next thing you hit subscribe. Just in a few minutes, our payment is almost ready. You say you are all set. Your purchase was successfully. Yeah, let's celebrate it. Let's celebrate it. So let's continue. Now we have subscribed for S Premium. They say take a quick tour, no problem. Later we can do this. So let's go back to our Grok AI and see what will happen. Now let's sign in back to Grok. We'll click on sign in. Now, this time, instead of you logging in with an email or with Gmail account, what you have to log in with is log in with X. Very important. You are now logging in with X account. So you click on login with X. You can see it's taking you to X. So you just hold on a little. Now asking you to authorize the app. Go ahead, authorize it. Now our S account is ready. You can see it's showing our S logo here, right here. That's what it's showing. So let's go to imaging and let's generate something and see if this thing is actually working or not. All right, so let's generate something and see. Now let's generate a video quick and see. Let me just write a lady. I say a lady walking to a supermarket, as in walking into a supermarket. I say a lady walking into a supermarket, and let's generate and see. Wow, you can see our video is generating. Is generating. You can see that the video is generating. This particular one is the same thing as those free Grok AI that we have been using until 19th of March that is blocked everywhere. You can see our video is generating. Let's give it a little more time. It will be out. Do you see that our video working? It's working. Did you see that? So it's work. Now let's go back and generate an image. Let's generate an image and see. Let's generate an image. Let's say a fat man eating fried rice. A fat Nigerian man. A fat Nigerian man eating fried rice. Let's change the ratio to 16 and let's send and see. Do you see that our things are working perfectly well? Please let me know in the comment section what you feel about this particular pattern that I just showed you now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please don't subscribe and share it. It's very important you share it. Now let's check another method. Let's find out another thing. Let's go to video. Can we change it to 10 seconds? Is it possible? Let's click on 10 seconds and generate an image and see. Let's generate this man eating. Now let's make a video with this man here.
It's to press.
Do you see that is working and it's under 10 seconds? So you meaning that you can still get your 10 seconds. Cool.
It's to
Instead of 50
press.
seconds that the free generation usually give us, you can get our 10 seconds and you can even extend it. You can see the extension. You can still extend it. You can still extend it. So let me know if this is not cool. This is pretty cool. You have this pattern will save you a lot of money. See you in the next one, and I will keep bringing in good and fantastic content your way. See you again. Bye for now.